projectors which I am listing in this video are all with full HD resolutions in 16:9 aspect ratio and are capable of daylight room conditions. These models which I have chosen are based on customer reviews in shopping websites, then by brands, its serviceability and by its cost. So let's get into the video. The first brand which we are going to see is ViewSonic. It's an American based company. They are mainly into manufacturing of display screens and projectors. Indian regional office is in Mumbai with contacts of distributors and service centers in all states of India can be found in their Indian official website. These projectors are based on digital light processing. In short, it's called as DLP, in which ViewSonic used their super color technology along with it to make better image. At number 10 is ViewSonic PG705HD. Has a brightness of 4000 lumens and 22,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of a 300-inch screen, 3D projection and a smart gaming connection. It is with two HDMI ports, audio out in 3.5mm jack, Type A USB port with inbuilt power for use of HDMI dongle, LAN port and other standard connections. It has 1.2x manual zoom and focus, claiming around 4000 lamp hours in normal mode and 15,000 hours in super eco mode. Throw distance of this projector can be seen in this clip. In order not to waste your time, I will be running this clip a little bit faster. At number 9 is ViewSonic PX706HD. With brightness of 3000 lumens and 22,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 3D projection and a responsive 3 times faster gaming connection. Two HDMI ports, audio out in 3.5mm jack, Type C USB port to connect your phone or tablet for mobile gaming directly to massive screen. It has 1.2x manual zoom and focus, claiming 4000 lamp hours in normal mode and 15,000 hours in super eco mode. ViewSonic has an active stereographic 3D glass with inbuilt rechargeable battery which can be charged using USB and last for 30 hours of 3D viewing in a 4 to 7 hours of single charge. Best thing is the glass can be used with any DLP 3D projectors as it do not require infrared emitter for 3D conversion. Optoma, a Chinese based mainly into the manufacturing of audio and video related products. The contacts of distributors and repair service in all states can be found in their official website. Optoma projects are based on DLP technology as well. So at number 8 is Optoma HD143X with a brightness of 3000 lumens and 23,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen and 3D projection. Two HDMI ports, 3.5mm jack for audio out, 3D sync port for 3D glasses. You can connect phone or tablet using MHL support, powered Type A USB, 12-volt trigger used for automatic folding and unfolding of motorized projector screens based on how we power on and off the projector. It is with 1.1x manual zoom and focus function, claiming 3500 lamp hours in bright mode and 12,000 hours in dynamic mode. At number 7 is Optoma HD27E. Brightness of 3400 lumens and 25,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen as well and 3D projection. With two HDMI ports, audio out, 3D sync port for 3D glasses. You can connect phone or tablet using MHL support, powered Type A USB and 12-volt trigger outlet, 1.1x manual zoom and focus function, claiming 3500 lamp hours in bright mode and 15,000 hours in eco plus mode. Optoma has a wireless 3D glasses compatible with 3D sync VESA port, has their own cable and emitter to enjoy 3D viewing using DLP link. This 3D glasses has inbuilt rechargeable battery of 60 hours usage. Bringing enjoyment and quality of life is the slogan of BenQ. A Taiwan-based company manufactures display-related products, cameras and mobile computing devices. BenQ has a wide range of outlets in India and online sites for purchase and repair centers. BenQ uses DLP technology for its color accuracy. So at number 6 is BenQ W1050. Brightness of around 2200 lumens and 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Capable of 3000-inch screen and 3D projection. With 2 HDMI ports, 3.5mm jack for audio in and out, 1.2x manual zoom and focus function. Claiming 4500 lamp hours in normal mode and 10,000 hours in smart eco mode. At number 5 is BenQ MH550. It has a brightness of 3500 lumens and 20,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen as well, with 2 HDMI ports, 3.5mm jack for audio in and out and with other standard connections, 1.1x manual zoom and focus function, claiming 5000 hours in normal mode and 15,000 hours in smart eco mode. At number 4 is EH600, a DLP projector, has a brightness of 3500 lumens and 10,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 180-inch screen. Unlike other projectors, you can project using screen mirroring wirelessly, supports many documents and media file formats for direct plug and play using USB Type-A of 2 slots. Bluetooth version 4.0 for audio connectivity, dual band wireless, supports 2G and 5G, and with 2 HDMI ports and audio in and out of 3.5mm jack, 1.1x manual zoom and focus function, claiming 5000 lamp hours in normal mode and 15,000 hours in smart eco mode. Epson, a Japanese company with a wide range of manufacturing products, in which projector is one of them. Epson will be one of the first brand name comes in most of our mind when we plan to choose a projector. A lot of store and service centers available in India. Epson delivers a vibrant, realistic image to create a first-rate impressive experience. Epson uses 3 LCD technology, which makes it a better performing projector than their competitors. Epson provides both horizontal and vertical keystone adjustments, which makes it more conveniently usable in any room conditions with split screen options to use 2 input connections at a time. At number 3 is Epson EB-U05. Brightness of 3400 lumens and 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen as well, with 2 HDMI ports, MHL connectivity, Type-A USB port and other standard connections, but audio out is not available in these models. It is with 1.2x manual zoom and focus function, claiming 6000 lamp hours in normal mode and 10,000 hours in eco mode. At number 2 is EHTW650. Has a brightness of 3100 lumens and 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen. It is with 2 HDMI ports with MHL connectivity, no audio output, Type-A USB port, a slow wireless eye projection app with 1.2x manual zoom and focus function. Actually, this is a short throw projector, claiming 6000 lamp hours in normal mode and 10,000 hours in eco mode. Well, at number 1 is Epson EHTW5650, which has a brightness level of 2500 lumens and 6000 to 1 contrast ratio, capable of 300-inch screen with lens shift option and a 3D projection, also capable of converting 2D movies into 3D movies. Isn't it great? It is enabled with 2 HDMI ports, MHL connectivity, audio out jack, type A USB port with power, wireless screen mirroring with dual band 2G and 5G connectivity, better eye protection app, gaming performance and Bluetooth audio, claiming 6000 lamp hours in normal mode and 10,000 hours in eco mode. Stay connected for videos of portable and 4K projectors.